Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chini Michael here on YouTube. So today, guys, I'll be showing you how to enable music feature on your Facebook story for those who reside in areas or regions where adding music track is not supported or available. Secondly, guys, I'll be showing you how to generally add music track on your story. But before we dive into the video, if you're new to this channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. If you're not new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Guys, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you. So apparently, guys, I reside in the Philippines, and in the Philippines, music feature is not supported or allowed or available. As you can see here, there's nothing like music feature here. So what you do is I'll go back, I'll go to settings, after that I'll go to app management, click on it and go to app list, and I'll search for Facebook. Go to storage usage and I'll delete or clear data, clear everything. So after that, you go to Play Store to download VPN or install VPN. I've already downloaded my VPN. I downloaded this one here. Yeah, it's already downloaded, it's already installed, so you just have to install it. I'm just gonna open it. This is how it looks like, guys. After that, I'll just click on this icon here, yeah, and I'll select any country that supports music feature on Facebook story. I'm just gonna go for let's say United States. Go to this place, United States, this one here. I'll just wait for it to connect. Yeah, I'm connected, guys. So that's it, that's how it looks like. I'm just gonna go back to Facebook to see what I've done. Oh my god, I'm just gonna sign in. It's okay, I'll just sign. So guys, this is how it looks like after connecting to VPN. It works like magic, right? So guys, I'm just gonna select any picture of my choice here. I'll just go with this one here and click on stickers, click on music. Here you get to select any music of your choice. I don't really have any music in mind, but I'm just gonna go with the first one. This is how it looks like, guys. I'm just gonna change any format, change the format you want. I'm just gonna go with this format. After that, you click on done icon. This is how it looks like, guys. Simple, right? You can share it, yeah, share it. I don't want to share this, but you can share it. That's what it is. Just share it. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Do not forget to turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for watching, and thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.